How to log on to Snapchat Web without phone. Hey everybody, welcome to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the step-by-step process of how you can log into your Snapchat account without using your phone. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search bar, type in Snapchat Web. Then you will see the first search result of Web Snapchat. Tap open it. Now once you do so, make sure you tap on the three dot icon and check the box that says desktop site. Once you do so, it will open up your Snapchat in desktop version. Now here, simply enter your username or email address. In case you don't remember your username or email address, you can also get logged into your Snapchat account by using your phone number. Just tap on use phone number instead, enter your phone number and tap on to next. Just like at the next page, enter your password and tap on to next. And once your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your Snapchat account. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload.